Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not posting frequently these days. I will try to publish as much as I can in the near future. Today we're gonna be going through the realistic floor bricks tutorial. Okay guys, so let's start by opening the material editor by pressing M. Okay. We're gonna be creating a Vray material. We're gonna choose diffuse map, floor bricks. Okay, make sure to untick the use real world scale. Okay, let's open our material. This is the first glance of our material. Now let's get back to the settings. We're gonna use 1.2 here. Okay, let's go down, open maps. Let's start with bump, put it to 1, bitmap, and use the bump map. Okay, untick the use real world scale. Okay, now let's go to diffuse. It's done. Reflect, also bitmap. Let's use the roughness. Okay, now get back to glossiness. Let's use the diffuse map. Okay, fine. Now we have our material. We're gonna assign it to the street. Okay. We can't see anything. That's because we didn't put our UVW map. Okay, we untick the real world. Now we put our it's too big. Let's use 1. Okay, now it's good. Okay, let's try to render fast. See how it looks like. So I couldn't see anything in the low resolution, so I rendered one higher resolution. As you can see, it looks flat. It's not so realistic, so let's try to make it more realistic. We'll need to add a Vray displacement. Vray displacement mode. Okay, let's put the map and let's put it to 0.02. I will try to show you the difference between the two. Let's start rendering. So guys, the render is finally over. We can see the difference between the two. You can see when we put a Vray displacement mode how realistic the render becomes. And that's it for today guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave any comment below. Keep updated for more useful content, and have a great day. Thank you.